This is the elevator at the JCPenney store, Meadowood Mall, Reno, Nevada. Look at this. Montgomery GNP. Going up?
I am. You too?
Yes.
Okay.
Be careful with the carding.
Let's go up to 2.
Good idea.
Alright. Listen to the motor.
He loves elevators.
It's a Montgomery. Epic motor.
Keeps him out of trouble.
Oh, wow. I love that motor. Montgomery. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll see if there's...
Have a good day.
We'll see if there's shoes up here. You want to run downstairs?
No. Let's go down to 1.
Then we're going to come back up.
I'm gonna take 2 rides on this thing.
You need shoes.
Here we go. This is an epic elevator. Montgomery Square GMP, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Installed in 1979. I guess I'm gonna go this one on my own now.
No, I'm going to hold it. We're going to look for shoes.
2. Whoa.
What are you doing?
Let's go to the 2.
You look like you're stalking people when you do that.
Listen to this. Look at these buttons. Montgomery, 4,000 pound capacity or 26 people. Let's go look at the shaft. Don't close. Let's set this one down. There goes the hand. That's it.